Okay, once your display button is flashing, you're going to hold down the display button for 3 seconds. And it's going to prompt you for additional things. So I like a 12-hour timer. And that's the time. So on the plus buttons now, we can adjust that time. That we're going to have to go to AM. So we're going to hold down the key until we get into close to our time range. Now it is 9:11 here. And now our time is set. We're going to go to our first pump setting. And we want to start that at 8 a.m. Run it for 5 hours at 3,000 RPM. Then we want to go to our second setting, run it at 3,000 RPM for 4 hours. All right. So that's 8 and 4. That's 12 hours right there. And then 2750 for no hours. Okay. And then setting 1 again, that was 3,000 RPM. Starting at 8 o'clock for 5 hours. So I'll make sure this is 5 and 4, that's 9. I'm going to make this 6 hours for this first cycle. Okay. Now if you just leave it alone, it will time out. At this point, I'm going to start the filter. When it's finished, and it'll go into like a prime cycle of full power. And that's all cool. You can see the filter pumping right now. Sucking from all 3 zones right now. Side skimmer, end skimmer, and the bottom greens. You'll see here also what's interesting is I'm using a pre-filter, a circuit pool pre-filter. And what that's going to do is going to spin all the debris, throw it out to the sides, and then eventually move it over to the Pentair cartridge filter. But that's how you set the time on your Pentair variable speed pump and get it started. Thanks for watching.